I got some ancient coins, and they are just so crusted with years and years and, well, like centuries of dirt and grime and corrosion. I wanted to see if I could clean them up, so I tossed them in this. It's a little magnetic, it's like a whirlpool. And look at what happened. You can see the coins now. I understand that this might not be great for valuable coins, but they said these were junk, and you know what? I think they're pretty awesome. Check that out. You can see the faces now. If you're interested in a tool like this, check the description below. There they are, spinning away. So this is a magnetic polisher. It uses little pins, and the magnet is in the base, and it spins around, and then the pins fly around and gently knock the crud off of the coin. This is made for jewelry, and it works great. We'll toss these guys in. They've already been in for a couple of hours, and that's why they're so clean. I'm using a gentle hand soap. And a little more water. Put it on, press the button. And see that? It's a little whirlpool of excitement. It's a frenzy. We'll come back in a while and see how that did. Remember, those coins started like this. All right, let's see what's happened. Oh yeah. That one's still pretty dirty. Amazing. I can't believe how well that this worked to be able to get the grime of literally like 1,500 to 2,000 years off of these coins. You can actually see the faces, the imprints. You can see the fine details. And, well, if I could read that, maybe I could even read what it said on the edge. But considering they classified these as junk coins, I'm astounded. I really am. I know that there's a lot of methods that people can use to get the gunk off, and chemicals is one of them. Definitely you do not want to over clean your coins. I know that's the biggest fear, and this looks like it's a pretty gentle technique. So, definitely if you try something like this, watch it. Make sure you're checking back on it. You don't want to overdo it. Anyway, check it out. Magnetic tumbler, they call it. Magnetic pin polisher. Like I said, this one was used for jewelry making, and I'm just really happy to be able to see this other use. I mean, that got some real shine out of it. Amazing. This one, I looked it up. It's like two soldiers with standards. You can see that. Look at that. They're like holding up flags between them. Pretty cool. Anyway, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you can help me identify the coins, leave them in the comments. That'd be great to know. I'm definitely going to be learning more about these coins in the future. I just can't believe that this is something that somebody was buying their bread or goats, or who knows what they're using these coins for, but literally almost 2,000 years ago. This was in someone's pocket, and it was used for commerce. Amazing. Cheers.